Hello, welcome back. Today I will show you how to make a hash algorithm in C Visual Studio using WinForms application. First, create a project. Add your name. Choose .NET Framework. Now design your form. Add one button. For radio button. And two text box. You can change the name and color of your form if you want. Then rename your for radio button to SHA256, SHA384, SHA512, and MD5. You can also change the color and font size to your preferred look. Now if you are done designing, just double-click the button and paste my code. And paste my code. As easy as that, you are now done. I will put my code to the description so you guys don't need to type it. because I love you guys. So if this tutorial helps you, please press the subscribe button. It will help me a lot. Thank you guys. Until next time. Bye.